high school or elementary, true friendship is tested in unexpected ways.
Mike and Ben had been best friends since kindergarten.
But one rainy Tuesday, everything suddenly changed without warning.
Hey, Ben, wait up. Why are you walking away?
Mike thought it was just a simple misunderstanding at first. Hey, Ben. I brought your favorite apple juice today.
Thanks, but I really need to go right now. Usually, Ben would sit right here next to me.
But Ben chose to sit all the way across the room.
Is Ben ignoring me on purpose now?
He did not even look in my direction once today.
Later that afternoon, Mike decided to look for answers in the library.
Hey, Emma, have you talked to Ben at all today?
Oh, hi, Mike. No, not really. I have been super busy.
School ended, but the heavy mystery remained in Mike's mind.
Ben used to walk home with me every single afternoon.
Ben rode his bike right past without saying a single word.
Does Ben not want to be my friend anymore?
That evening, Mike sat in his room, feeling completely lost. We have been inseparable for years. What could have changed? Look at how happy we were back during summer camp.
Mike decided to send a direct message to ask directly. The status changed to red, but no reply ever came.
My heart feels so heavy right now.
Day 2 brought even colder distance between the two friends.
Good morning, Ben. Did you see my text last night? I was really busy with homework. I have to go to class.
He did not even wait for my response before leaving. During art class, they were assigned to work at the same table. Ben instantly moved his drawing easel to the far corner.
He is literally avoiding being in the same space as me.
Emma watched from across the art room with a quiet gaze.
Even Emma seems to be keeping secrets from me today. In gym class, the coach announced team pick captain choices. Ben was chosen as captain for the basketball practice match.
Mike stepped forward, waiting for his usual first pick call.
I choose Leo for my team today. I was picked last. That has never happened before in my life.
By Thursday, the feeling of rejection had turned into deep pain.
Maybe our friendship is truly over forever.
Tomorrow is my 10th birthday, but I do not feel like celebrating.
A birthday without your best friend does not feel special at all.
Suddenly, Mike noticed Emma carrying a mysterious large box.
She walked quickly toward the locked old storage room downstairs.
What is inside that big box she is carrying down there?
The storage room door was left slightly open on crack.
Inside the room, Ben and Emma were standing together.
Ben was carefully cutting long blue and green party streamers.
What are they doing inside the old basement storage room? Ben held up a large handmade banner that read, "Happy birthday, Mike!"
The banner showed all their favorite memories painted with great detail. Make sure the number 10 balloon is completely filled up with helium.
Mike is going to be so surprised when he sees this tomorrow. I spent every afternoon this week finishing this hand-carved photo board.
You worked so hard on this custom comic book for him, Ben. He is my best friend. He deserves the best birthday surprise ever. I had to avoid him all week so he would not guess the surprise.
Oh no. Ben was not ignoring me because he was mad at me.
He was secretly working day and night just to make me happy.
Mike quietly walked away so he would not ruin their hard work.
How could I ever doubt my best friend like that?
Friday morning arrived, bringing the long-awaited 10th birthday.
Today is going to be the most amazing birthday ever!
Mike walked to school with a light step and a grateful heart.
Happy birthday, Mike! Can you help me carry something in the basement? Sure, Emma. I would love to help you out down there.
The basement door was completely dark from the outside hallway.
Step inside right here, Mike. The light switch is on the left.
Surprise! Happy 10th birthday, Mike!
Happy birthday to my absolute best friend in the entire world.
Ben, Emma, you guys did all of this incredible work for me?
I am so sorry I had to avoid you for 4 whole days.
I needed every single minute after school to build this memory wall for you.
You are the most incredible friend anyone could ever ask for, Ben.
Smile for the camera, birthday boy. This moment is going into the album.
I spent 3 whole nights drawing this comic book story about us. Look at these drawings. You made me into a real superhero. Honest truth, Ben. I thought you didn't want to be friends anymore.
What? No way! I could never stop being your best friend.
I was just trying super hard to keep this big secret from you. May our bond grow stronger with every passing single year.
By afternoon recess, everything felt brighter and more beautiful than ever. Their teamwork was better than it had ever been before. Seeing them happy made all the secret planning completely worth it.
Best friends forever, no matter what happens in the future.
A true friendship is built on trust, patience, and understanding.
I learned a really important lesson about trust this week.
That were jobbing the Carpurus.
Never judge someone's actions before knowing the entire full story. Because sometimes, behind silence, lies a love bigger than you imagined.